Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to schedule an email in Gmail. We start by opening Gmail. Next, click on Compose or Write to start a new email. Now we are going to enter the data to configure our email. Once it is ready to be sent, we will schedule it. To do this, from the Send icon, we are going to open the drop-down menu and click on the Schedule Shipping option. Here, a window will appear to choose a suggested date, or click on Choose Date and Time to select the shipping time. When you have the date selected, we choose Schedule Shipping and our email will be scheduled. You can find the scheduled emails from the Scheduled section. Here you can cancel if you want any scheduled emails or edit them again. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.